they come. There they go, up and pacing. Pinner leaving out and quickly to the front. Every Day is second. On the rail, Hurrah will be third to the turn. Fourth along the inside, Athletic Putnam. About to drop in fifth is All Out. Then sixth, Modern Best. Pembroke Fella seventh. After Lunch, Larry the Trailer. To the backside they go. And the front stepping heavy favorite is Pinner today. Mark Campbell has him on the point by 2. Every Day at the rail second. Hurrah got away third. Athletic Putnam, he goes fourth. All Out in fifth. Modern Best sixth. Then Pembroke Fella edging out seventh. And filling the field, that is After Lunch Larry. The quarter mile in 28 and 3. Backfield in motion as they swing by the 3/8 ball. Pinner on the lead. Every Day gapping in the 2-hole. Hurrah racing third. Athletic Putnam might have a decision to make. Modern Best coming from the outside now. No decision to make. Modern Best is on the outside fifth. Following her on the outside sixth is Pembroke Fella. Then in seventh, All Out. Trailing on the outside, that's After Lunch Larry. The half mile in 58 and 3. Going to the 5/8. Pinner unchallenged. Continuing to lead it. And he's alone there. Every Day strictly giving chase. Third, that is Hurrah, continuing fourth. Athletic Putnam, way wide fifth is Pembroke Fella. All Out, going up the inside sixth. No pace for Modern Best in the middle. 3 high the trailer. After Lunch Larry. Pinner's got away on him now. 3/4 in 1. 28 flat. 1/8 of a mile left to go. And by a half a dozen, Pinner has put him away today. Only battle might be for the deuce. Every Day there. Athletic Putnam up the rail and Pembroke Fella. Pinner doubles up. Campbell all alone on the line. Athletic Putnam is second. Pembroke Fella finishes third. 1:57 and 3.